It's compulsory. If we cannot give that mdcat, so no one university or college can give admission in mdcat.
Mr. Mohammed, first of all, you have to say about what does mean by the NMDK and what it's for.
It is a medical test.
Well,
So I can.
Is it compulsory for taking admission in medical field?
Yes, it is compulsory. If we cannot give that mdcat, so no one university or college can give admission in mdcat.
And
There are a lot of other tests which for medical, and that is for army,
okay, well, army for
and
it.
for civil only. This
Okay,
test
okay,
and
civil. Okay, civil for civil students, they have much necessary about the
they must
NMDK.
necessary mdcat
Okay,
for
okay. For
mdcat.
example, is it compulsory that you have to must take admission in government college rather in private college?
What?
It is necessary for both of them, government college or necessary or the private
Yes,
college.
yes, for both.
Okay,
For public or private.
okay, private both of are must require
Necessary
obligatory
for
thing.
necessary for both.
Okay, well,
Yes.
okay. So please share me about it. How was your first NMDK and what did you get experience from them?
When I give my first mdcat, so I can give a lot of
Mhm. You can give and you found the mistakes are there.
a lot of mistake I do in that. So because of this, I can try my best to
Well,
remove that,
overcome these mistakes.
overcome these
Yes,
mistakes,
well,
and inshallah I can clear that.
and next time, inshallah.